Hello, my friend. I just jumped out of my bed and I am sleepy as well, but it's not matter. I really energetic when the time about learning English. Yeah, because I need English, guys. I have to talk English more and more frequently. I use English at my work, talking with my coworker. I also share my knowledge to someone in English. I can share my knowledge. I can make them fluent in English. I think that's the reason between another reason. So my another reason study abroad and align myself for the company's culture. Yeah. But before of it, guys, I would like to tell a story, a nice story about my work. I've never told you before about my workplace. Yeah, and mostly I only say about my activity at my work. I I present the results after I work on the robot. But now I'm trying to be talkative about my workplace. Guys, I work in a company. The company about the consultant on robot and AI as well. So, but the company is not in manufacture. Is not in place that a lot of thing or fabric. So this company is quite small and growing up. I can see it, but I really appreciate the effort of the boss of the company who influence the employee, who influence a lot of people to create something from Indonesia, from produce from country. Okay. Before of it, let me know about the meaning of workplace. So, what's the meaning of workplace, guys? So, workplace is a physical, any digital environment, mobile environment, dan people do their work. And workplace also provides a hook that can connect other co-worker with the other, and also collaborations on it. Yeah, I think that's the simple meaning of workplace. Yeah, and my workplace in mall. I don't know if you understand it or if you know about mall, but I truly believe that you are really familiar with mall, guys. So mall is a place, is a big place, is a big grocery stores, big grocery stores. I'm not going to say it grocery stores because it's too big. Yeah. So I just want to say about my vlog while I going back from my work, and I at the time share the inside of my workplace, which mean in the mall, and also I expose something that I've never show you before, and that was that was that was stuttering. That was stuttering when I was starting speaking English in front of camera, showing everything next to me, showing what I what I what I saw, and guys, at the time, the first second was really bad. The first second was really bad, and after that, and after the first second, and the second after the first second, after that, everything it was really fluent, was really confident. I really confident to expose everything what I had passed. And also, guys, but I wasn't really confident. I was not a lot of confident at the time because I had no idea it, because I had I had I had I had very long time didn't practice English, and when the time is come to speak again, and stuttering was coming up, and I have no idea how to deal with that things, but it bothered me. It it was bothering me so a lot. So guys, what I was doing at the time, I strip away my phone, which means I stop the vlog and then walk away from the mall, and I think that's the mini vlog that I start again in my work, outside of my work. Okay, guys, I also want to share you about it, and I really appreciate you guys. You hear my experience while I start my vlog again, and this will be go or more ahead. I will start again my vlog as I usually do when I was in 6 months ago.